But now, Patrik, why do we have this flag now?
Because I'm a Norwegian and Karina is Swedish, and we have made a union. We got married 1 year ago.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
We're going into a bay and there are several Shepherd boys. Free, so we will connect to one of those. We are members of Swedish or Svenska kryssarklubben. It's about, I think, 700 crowns, Swedish crowns per season. And you are allowed to stay and connect to those boys. How many was it in Sweden? Like
300-400 at least, I think.
Yeah. We are close to Skärhamn now, so we will take the rubberboat and go in to buy some snacks. Chilla, you want to get in the boat? So.
Now we're ready to go into the harbor.
Bye bye Gullhöna. See you later.
Quiet motor, electrical powered.
How many hours can we drive?
In this speed, 3.5 hours.
We are preparing for celebrating Midsummer. And there you have the happiest church on the west coast.
And you see the smiley on the church.
Tell me what you are doing.
Safety reason, looking the boat and the motor and everything. Better to be safe than sorry.
So now everything is safely secured. Warm midsummer, isn't it, Patrik?
It's the second midsummer in a row with a temperature high above 20 degrees. Nice.
Yeah.
Sheila needs water.
So, på ner Sheila. Nothing is stolen.
Nothing is stolen, everything is there. Now we have the anchor plug sail. It's shaped.
So now we are not twisting around as much as before. We're going in to take a bath.
A bath.
Bath, nej, bath.
Passing Kyrkjösunds brygga on one side, and there's a small ferry here. And you see the kids are in the water. That's the way we start the morning in Sweden, taking a swim.
Midsummer tree. Somebody is using the spinnaker. Gullhöna Hermane, one of our favorites. Lovely here.
English. Who are you?
Jag är Olof. I am Olof.
And I am Maria Lejonklo.
And who are you?
I am Petra Björnberg.
I'm Karina, the owner of the YouTube channel.
Ja, Magnus här då.
Där Magnus.
And Joakim Öst.
Och där.
Who are you? Jerker. Now we're leaving Kornö. We'll head south towards Marstrand with the boat. A small door for small people.
Yes, like me. Small but very, very good.
Lovely.
Close to the cliffs.
We're passing Mollösund now on our way back to Marstrand. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Enjoying Life After 50 by Carina Malmstedt. Until next time, bye bye.